Hey there, Louis Akabalis here. Thanks for stopping by. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can assign multiple incidents to a user at the same time. Now, before we get started, if you find this video helpful, please hit that thumbs up below and be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tutorials that I publish. Now let's go ahead and let's get started. All right, now to bulk assign tickets or incidents in ServiceNow, you want to search for the incident list in the filter navigator. I will scroll down and I will click on the open unassigned menu group under the incident group. That's going to bring up a list of incidents here. Now you can see that I have some incidents where the assigned to field is empty, and I have some also where the assignment group is empty. Now, in order to bulk assign these tickets, what you want to do is you want to select the tickets that you want to bulk assign by checking the boxes to the left of the incident number. And then what you want to do is you want to click on the column options for the field that you want to update. So I will start by clicking on this menu button on the assignment group. And if you scroll down here, you can see this option that says update selected. So you want to go ahead and click this. And this is going to bring you into the incident form. So here you want to set the values that you want to update. Now in this case, what I'm going to do is I am going to set the assignment group to service desk. And I'm also going to have the assigned to populate with Beth Anglin. So I'll go ahead and select those values. And then I'm going to click update. And you can see here the success message at the top of the window that says multiple updates complete, total records updated 3. And you're no longer going to see those records in this list because again, I'm currently looking at the active unassigned list of incidents. Now, if I just click on the breadcrumb trail and click all, and you look at the first 3 records here, because I'm filtering my list by updated, you can see here that all 3 of those incidents were set to the assignment group of service desk, and they were also assigned to the user Beth Anglin. So that's it. This was just a very quick tutorial showing you how you can bulk assign tickets or incidents in ServiceNow. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please hit that thumbs up below. And be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on the latest tutorials that I publish. I'm Louis Akabalis. Thanks for stopping by. Talk soon.